I'm about to faint. Hey, Jolly, what did the air conditioning say to the man? What? I'm your biggest fan. Voo, I can't take this anymore. We have to do something about the heat. But what? Oh, I know. How about having a pool party? A pool party? Wow, that's such a cool idea. And we can also invite our toys. Miss Lizzie, Jessica, do you want to have a pool party? Oh, yes, I would love to swim now. We also should cook some yummy treats. Miss Lizzie is right. We need to cook something cold and tasty. Especially cold. I think I even have an idea for that. So, Foo, where is your puppet? Let's take some chocolate cornflakes. Or chocolate balls. Anything, really. Put them into your puppet and then cover it all with ice cream. Ooh, it looks tasty. I know, right? Just let it freeze for a while. And then you can add some chocolate or caramel, wherever you want. It looks so good. It's so delicious. But don't eat everything. Save the ice cream for the party. Of course. That reminds me of a joke. Why does everyone invite ice cream to the party? Why? It's cool! Don't you think that something is missing? Of course! We don't have any drinks! Oh, you're right! You're lucky! I'm a genius! Get the soda over here! We'll need this! First, take a deflated balloon and fill it with cold water. We are not going to throw them out the window, are we? No, of course not. We'll put them in the freezer. Oh, how many balloons? Yep, then put them in the box where you keep the drinks. And that's it. Such a simple refrigerator. Huh? Voo, I brought a soda. Great! And the water in the balloons is already frozen! By the way, what kind of music is scary for balloons? I think I may know. Pop music! I knew it!